Welcome to the third and final video of this series on the mobile pawn shop business. I created these videos to show you how easy it is to go out and generate money, and to also show you how similar it is to have a pawn shop to having a real estate investing business. People trade convenience for price all the time, and it doesn't matter if it's junk or if it's an actual house. With a mobile pawn shop business, you can make hundreds of dollars. With a pawn shop for houses or a wholesaling or real estate investing business, you can make tens of thousands of dollars with the same amount of time and effort. So I wanted to show you guys how you can go out and get started, and you guys don't need a business license, you don't need an LLC, you don't need a shirt with a logo, you don't need any of this stuff to get started with your business today. I wanted to give you guys some understanding what it takes to start a business, and it's going to revenue first. So keep in mind that at the end of this video, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Whatever money I made in that evening of doing this mobile pawn shop, I'm giving it away to one lucky winner. So the details to enter to win will be available there at the end of the video. So I hope you enjoy this last series. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know if there's anything else you would like us to share with you. God bless you. We'll see you at the end of the video. My name is Zack Boothe, and I help people understand how to find discounted properties consistently to buy rentals, fix and flip opportunities, and wholesale. If you're trying to find more discounted properties, check out my free webinar. Go ahead and click on the link below. I'll see you there. I'm super excited to help you start finding massively discounted properties. All right, so I just got the text. He's gonna sell it to me for 500 bucks, he said. My mechanic that I just talked to said, get it for 300. We don't know the size of the motor. There's two different sizes of these motors on this exact model. If it's the bigger model, this could be a $1,700 profit deal. That's profit. If it's the smaller one, around $500 profit. I'm gonna try and negotiate and get even a better price. We're gonna kind of go back and forth. I'm gonna try and get the tables that we originally talked about and see if he'll throw them in as a bonus just to clean out his garage. So we'll see what we can do. You know, this is gonna be fun. God, I'm excited. We got our drinks, got some V8 tomato juice, and this is gonna be awesome stuff. I'm so excited. This is better than Christmas. You know, another thing to think about is, yes, I may make 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks in a few hours of work tonight, but I left my phone number with a handful of people. And if I would take those numbers and those relationships that I've built and send them text messages, you know, through a text blasting service or some type of, you know, automated system, you would be able to get more deals. So, I mean, I'm not even gonna take full advantage of my work tonight just because I'm focused on doing this exact same thing with houses. And instead of making a few $1,000 bucks, 1,000 bucks, you know, I'm making tens of thousands of dollars. So, you know, it doesn't matter if it's little things or houses, you can do the same thing. It's pretty cool stuff. Let's do it. Negotiate any off of the 5?
Well, how about if any of the over and above, we just skip that whole deal and you just, whatever you can make off of it, make off of it.
Would you do like 450, I keep what I make, and throw the tables in as well? You don't want them in here, I know you don't. Look at all the space.
Yeah, you're right. I'll do 500 and you can take the tables.
All right, I don't have 500 because I bought a thing for what, 35?
Yeah.
So I've got 35 less than 500.
465.
465. 465 for all of it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to count it? Go ahead and count.
Since I've never met you before.
No, please count it. Yep, it's all good, man. I would count it if I was you.
So, I'm curious, I've never seen this before. You guys just literally go around and buy stuff and then...
Do you want to know something crazy? This is the first time I've ever done this. I thought up this business idea overnight one night. It's because I have a real estate coaching business, right? I teach people how to make money finding off-market discounted properties. And I have so many people tell me, like, we don't have the money for marketing. We don't know how to start. We don't know how to start a business. And they're asking about LLCs and business cards and all that nonsense, and I wanted to go start a business and show them you need none of that. All you need is the determination and go make money. So this was literally the first day out, so I have the film crew with me. And
oh, so you're just getting started?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, interesting. Okay, I never heard of it before, so I was curious. I
Yeah.
didn't know if this was a new thing, if there's a lot of people who are doing it.
Well, this is working really well, so hopefully, you know, it catches a trend. And I mean, it's cool. I mean, most people have stuff laying around their garage that they just haven't thought to deal with, and
yeah,
convenience is just like, you know, Amazon's great because of the convenience factor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with the pawn shop. No one wants to take a bunch of crap to the pawn shop for $10.
So I'll, you need
a lot of stuff.
We need ramps.
Yeah.
Grab my ramps.
Cool. Did you find the title?
I looked through, I have all my titles for four-wheelers, trucks, cars.
Just
I may
a
have been
bill
dreaming.
of bill of sale.
We can just handwrite one and take a picture or something?
Handwrite bill of sale. Yep. And we've got this footage too that proves the sale. So the bill of sale will put the VIN number. I'm sure it's on here somewhere. All right, thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Thank
you so much. Yeah,
thanks.
It's great.
Good luck. I hope you guys, your business takes off.
Yeah. All right, let's see what kind of money we made, because I have no idea. This is why you have friends that are smarter than you. So when you do something crazy, they can bail you out by fixing it and making it work. So hopefully it's just like a spark plug or something simple to fix. Or hopefully you can take the motor apart, clean the carburetor, throw some fuel injector in there and fire her up. So we'll see how much it costs to fix it. So I think we could probably sell my guess is this porch swing $50 to $80. We could sell the furniture pretty comfortably, like the coffee table and end tables, for probably $200, $250, maybe more. And then that go-kart, you know, I'm hoping to sell it for $900, you know, total. And you know, my mechanic friend, my hope is it's only, you know, $50 to do a carb clean, flush the gas out of it, just do like a little tune-up, have that thing running, change the spark plug, and we'll be up and running. So, man, stay tuned, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, make sure you hit the like button. That really helps us. Also, subscribe. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video. Remember, the American dream is alive and well. It is up to you guys to go out there and get it. So, God bless. We'll talk to you soon. Hello, babies! Hello! Hi! Oh! Okay, say hello. Hello. Hudson! Come see what I bought! Come check it out, dude. It's in the truck. What is it?
What is it?
You wanna go see it? Yeah. Go get in it. What is it, dude?
It's something I don't know.
What is it?
Something I don't know.
You don't know what that is?
No.
No. You gotta steer it. All right, turn it right. We're gonna go to Matt's yard.
Big.
What's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
Good. There she is.
There she is.
So Matt does all my mechanic work. He does it mobile, so he's got all the tools in his enclosed trailer and can come to you and work on your vehicle at your convenience. So how can they find you? You're Facebook, right?
Yep, Facebook and Instagram. You can catch me at Magees Mobile Mechanics.
Right. We'll also put a link in the show notes if you want to use them. So if you're in Utah, definitely want to use this guy. He's super fair. He'll give you a good price, and at your convenience. So can't beat that.
Kind of.
I hope you guys enjoyed that content. So we ended up making about $480 minus the 30 bucks or so that it cost me to clean the carburetor to get the go-kart running. So we made just around $450 profit with starting with $500. So I'm going to round that up to $500, and that's how much money I'm going to give away. So to enter to win, to get this money, it's very simple. You need to follow my Instagram. So my Instagram link's around here somewhere. It's also available in the show notes, so you can follow me there. And the link that's available, that's going to take you to the post that you're going to use to enter to win. Okay, that's the post about this video that we put together. The way you enter to win is, like I said, you follow the Instagram channel, then you have to like that post and tag a friend. The more friends that you tag in that post, the more entries you have to win, okay? So easy peasy. I hope you win. Look forward to continuing to create more content for you guys. And if you guys like this type of content, you want me to share more things, leave a comment what I can help you with, what you want me to do. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.